Fashion, and today I am bringing you guys a Halloween tutorial. This look right here, if you guys can't guess it, it's agent number 3 from Codenames Kids Next Door, or if you want to be real technical, KUKI. Ooh! I thought this look was going to be super boring, but honestly, there is so much to it, and it's honestly a look that's low-key wearable, so I hope you guys all enjoy, and if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to be taking my Colourpop All-Star Primer and just rubbing this into my skin as if it was a moisturizer. Whenever I do Halloween looks, I like using foundations that I don't care about, so I have my Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation in the shade Natural 12, and I'm going to be applying that onto my skin with my Sigma 3D HD sponge. I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows with the Essence Eyebrow Designer in the shade Dark Chocolate. I'm going to be making it pretty thin because she's a cartoon character. I'm going to be using my ShopMissA banana powder with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, and I'm just going to tap the powder into my face. I'm going to be using the ShopMissA bronzer in the shade Absolute, and I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up my skin, but since she doesn't have any apparent contour, I'm not going to make it so that it is pretty harsh. I'm going to make it so that the focus is more so the blush. I'm just using this color as something to warm up my skin. I'm going to take the blush called Asteroid by ShopMissA, and I'm going to heavily apply this onto my cheeks as well as my nose. With my Mary Poppin highlight that my friend Karlee made for me, I'm just going to be applying this onto the high points of my skin to just give myself a nice glow. I'm going to be doing something very different today. I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier Translucent Glow Powder to do a wash over my eyes as a base for all of the other shadows that I'm going to be using. All over the lid, I'm going to be applying the Colourpop Birthday Cake Super Shock Shadow. This one is a limited edition item, but it is just a really nice mauve pink with a nice shimmer. And I'm just going to be applying that all over the lid, and I'm going to bring it out into the outer corner because I'm going to be applying a long wing. I'm going to be using my Stila Stay All Day liquid eyeliner and creating a really long straight wing. I'm going to take that blush and apply it right under my eyes, and I'm going to kind of keep it concentrated towards the lashes. I'm going to be applying Mary Poppins into the inner corner, and by the way, if you have any glitter fallout on your cheeks, just leave it. It adds character because she's so girly and she just loves anything rainbows, sparkly, anything like that, so it's perfect. For lashes, you want to focus something that has a cat winged shape to it, and I decided to just stack up some random pairs of eyelashes together. I have no idea what styles or brands this is, but I stacked it up together and it turned out to be a great eyelash. So I'm going to be using it today and just applying it as far out as I can, more towards the outer corner of my cat wing, just so it looks a little bit more cohesive and a little bit more natural. For lips, I decided to go in with a light pink. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Athens, and I decided to go in with this shade because honestly, I feel like she is the type of person to have really nice, soft, light pink lips as opposed to something really, really nude. And a trick that I'm going to do is I'm going to close my mouth as tight as I can, and the edges of my lips I'm going to just blot it with my sponge that has my foundation on it, and it's going to give me an instant ombre lip. To lock it in, I'm going to be using the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray in the scent Peach. Remember Gerard Cosmetics? I'm surprised they even sent this to me. Thank you so much, by the way. I want my skin to look dewy because she looks like she has glass skin. You know, she's probably one of those characters who probably takes good care of her skin at the end of the day. Okay, you guys, that wraps up this tutorial. Hope you guys all really enjoy. I can't wait for you guys to see the next look that I'm going to create, so stay tuned. Bye! Hey guys, so this is my Mandy look from the Grim Adventures of Billy and Mandy. I focused this look on being very dark and evil, if that makes any sense, because like how she is, she's a pessimist, and you know, sometimes you gotta embody that in a makeup look in order to get your message across. So I hope you guys all enjoy this look, and if you want to see how I got it, then keep on watching. Just like number 3, I'm going to use the same primer and foundation, which is the Colourpop All-Star Primer, as well as the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation in the shade Warm Natural 12. I'm going to be focusing my foundation application more towards my cheek area since this wig already has bangs anyway. This foundation has light to medium coverage, so it's okay if my red spots and my dark circles are not fully covered. I want to look as tired as possible. I'm going to try and attempt to make my eyebrows look a little bit lighter, so I'm only going to be filling in my brows with the light shade in the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in the shade Ash Brown. Mandy always looks really angry and irritable, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the eyebrow product in an upwards diagonal shape towards the front of my brow so it looks like I'm always angry. I'm not going to be cleaning up my eyebrows simply because I want them to look unruly and kind of grumpy and messy. I just think it adds to the look. As for eyeshadows, I have my Makeup Revolution Reloaded Division palette, and I'm going to be working into the cool tone eyeshadows. So I'm going to start off with the gray all over my eyes. In the show, when Mandy looks down, she has a nude eyelid, but I really want to play into the fact that she is always annoyed and she is always mad and angry and irritable. So I am just going to make it look like I just have no sleep and I've just been staying up all night. I'm bringing this color all the way up into the inner portion of my eyebrow just to make my eyes look a little bit more sunken in and hollow. I'm going to take that same color and place it right under my eyes as well. I'm going to mix the gray and a little bit of this charcoal black and just deepen up wherever I put that gray initially. So right into the outer corner, right into the under area of my eyebrow, as well as my lower lash line, just to really redefine that area. As far as my eyelid is concerned, I'm just taking a nude shade and just patting it on because, like I said, when she closes her eyes in the show, she just has a nude eyelid, and so I just wanted to play around with that as well. I'm going to take a pinpoint brush and taking this peach shade, and I'm going to redefine where I put that gray, and this is going to intensify the look and make it look even more irritable, even more tired, and as if she's been rubbing her eyes. I'm also going to take that peach shade and put it around my nostrils just so it looks like I have been rubbing my nose and it's just been irritated. Now in this palette there is a silver shimmer. I'm going to apply that wherever I need any highlight because she may be tired, but she needs a little bit of glow. I'm taking my Essence Volume Stylist Mascara and I'm just going to be applying a few coats just so they can be nice and perked up. Mandy has a very wide and circular face, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my blush really high up just to mimic the appearance that my face is a little shorter than it actually is. Maybe that'll work. I don't know if it's going to work. But I'm going to take a Sigma F87 brush and I'm going to take that coral shade that's in the Makeup Revolution palette and I'm going to smile and apply this right on the very tops of my cheeks. For eyelashes, I decided to go in with a very soft and wispy eyelash that has a cat eye effect to it. So I chose out my Flutter Lashes Irresistible eyelashes, and I think that these ones are probably the best ones for this look. I'm going to be applying a cool tone nude to my lips so that they look a little dead. This is Dose of Colors Sand. Alright you guys, wraps up this look. I hope you guys all really enjoy. Now let's go into the third and final look. Alright guys, this is the third and final look. This is Sam from Danny Phantom. I hope you guys all enjoy the look and let's get started. Just like the first two tutorials, I'm going to be using the same primer and foundation simply because it's the only one in front of me right now. So I'm just going to be using that to spread evenly across my face. Sam's skin is pretty porcelain, and honestly, I think she is the most beat out of all three of these characters that I'm cosplaying for you in this video. And so I just wanted to make sure that she is full beat, full glam. So she's going to be using some concealer. This concealer is my Colourpop Light 18. I'm going to be using my ShopMissA banana powder and just setting the places where I would crease. So if you Google her name, Her eyebrows are really straight, so I want to embody that as best as I can. Even though my brows have a natural arch to them, I'm going to try my best to make them as straight as possible and minimize my arch. To do that, I'm using my Essence Eyebrow Designer in the shade Dark Chocolate, as well as my Wet n Wild Eyebrow Powder in the shade Ash Brown. I'm going to try and make my eyebrows as dark as possible, so I'm going to be using the darker eyebrow shade in the Duo. Primarily for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to use the You Had Me at Hello palette by Colourpop to do my eyeshadow. I'm going to go straight in with a light purple and pop that into my crease, and I'm just going to make this really defined because I'm going to be doing a cut crease today. Just like with any type of cut crease look, you want the actual crease to be the darkest part, and then you want the rest of it to be smoked out and blended. Right now I haven't really taken the time to blend, I'm just packing on the color. With my concealer, I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease. Now it's time for eyeliner. Let's go into our Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner for this, and I'm just going to do a really thin wing. And similarly to all the other tutorials, I'm going to be using the Volume Stylist by Essence just to coat my lashes. To bronze up my skin, I'm using the Livy bronzer in the shade Urbane, but this bronzer is kind of cool tone on myself, so it looks kind of like a contour. So I'm going to be using this more so as a contour rather than a bronzer. I'm also going to take this to contour my nose as well. To highlight my skin, I'm using the ShopMissA highlighter in the shade Sherbet. I'm going to heavily apply this on my cheeks as if it were a blush, but I'm also going to blend it up into my highlight region. I'm going to add a touch of pink with the Gamma blush from ShopMissA. For lashes, I'm using my Lash Kitty and OMG lashes in the style Workflow to complete the eye look. I'm going to add some purple onto my lower lash line just so everything can tie in together. For lips, I'm going to be applying my Kat Von D Aisha lipstick. Out of all my purple lipsticks, this was the closest I could find to her actual lip color. Alright you guys, that wraps up this video. Hope you guys all really enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying tuned to all these videos. Thank you guys so much. You put so much effort into each and every one of these looks, and I'm so proud to have come up with this. I'm so excited to put more and more videos for Halloween out for you guys, and definitely you'll see a lot of cosplays. With any of these looks though, I feel like you need a partner. With Sam, you need Danny Phantom. With Mandy, you need Billy or the Grim Reaper. With number 3, you're gonna need the whole squad. You're gonna need somebody with you. But nonetheless, I hope you guys all really enjoy these tutorials. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.